Welcome everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel, people. I want to say thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing. Make sure you continue to support the thing all over the atmosphere, the YouTube atmosphere. So if you're not already, make sure you drop a subscribe on the bottom right down here. Make sure you like the video so you can spread it all over the universe. Best of yourself. And people, let's talk about football this week that we've watched so far. Any further ado, people, let's go. All right, so first things first. Let's talk about the games yesterday. At first, I didn't think that this team was going to put it together, but they didn't, and they did well. They really did well. That game against Wolves yesterday was the epitome of what Chelsea stands for at this moment, which is holding on to the ball and breaking it down slowly but surely. I still think that they're not good enough to make the top four, especially with Arsenal running the way they are going right now. But to be quite honest with you, it was a good game. It was a very good game. It was a very good win for Wolves. Wolves, again, they're not effective in the final third. Diego Costa was his third stint in the Premier, second stint. I don't know what Diego Costa is doing on the team, playing, let alone starting. So a good win for Chelsea, 3-0 win, and it's one of those things where you can say, or I can say, yeah, Chelsea did a very good job on the aspects in which they were supposed to play. You know, Havertz got a goal, Pulisic finally got a goal, Babe herself, Captain America, and Broja got a goal as well. Now, can Broja set himself to be the number one striker ahead of Aubameyang? I don't know, but I can tell you that he scored, and that 3-0 win was very good in terms of Chelsea's campaigns moving forward. I don't know how it's going to play out in the future, but as of now, good win Chelsea. Good friggin' win. Next game is Tottenham. No, sorry, Man City and Southampton. Man City and Southampton. Man City. 4-0. Alan got the late goal, last goal of the game. Of course, he scored. Alan, of course. His name really spelled goal in the dictionary. And it's kind of sad. We had Cancelo score a goal for Foden, another goal for Foden again, Mahrez, and Erling Haaland. So all there attacking prowess on the score sheet. And also, of course, Cancelo, which is probably the best right back in the world at the moment. And right behind him is Manchester United's right back. But hey, that's a conversation for another day, right? Conversation for another day. And then we have Tottenham. Now, I thought Tottenham was going to challenge for the title this year. Now we're going to refine that in a couple of months or so. But Tottenham has been shit all season long. Only against Fulham, maybe. Only Fulham that they actually deserve the points that they got. Everybody else, they were shit, and more shit. I don't know if it's a coach that's setting him up wrong, or if the players don't know what they want to do when they're playing the way he plays. But they scraped away a one goal yesterday. All right, cool. However, they have been so much shit the entire friggin' season, fam. Oh my God. I don't know what to tell you about Tottenham, but they cannot continue like this and expect to make top four. Cannot continue like this and expect to make top four. But I don't mind, because greatest thing alive, Manchester United, CR7, MUFC, you can go and struggle all they want. Manchester United will be here. Because I can tell you, running behind them left, right, and center. And after today's game, first off is Liverpool, Arsenal versus Liverpool. Now, I don't know what to tell you about what results should be, but I know what the result is. The result is 3-2 to Arsenal. They get 3 points. And before we talk about Liverpool and how Liverpool is playing right now, first I'll talk about the refs. The refs were shit today, because Mikel Antonio got a handball today, wasn't called, he went on to score. Gabriel had a handball today, should have been a penalty. Ball up this high, right here. Not a penalty, fam. How is that not a penalty? I do not know. The rules of VAR need to be explained to me so that I can tell you what I know, because right now, This right here, penalty all day. All day, fam. All day. They didn't call it. But then they call a penalty for soccer in the second half. A penalty for that call, bro? Are you joking? No, don't get me wrong. That Arsenal deserved the points. They played well, especially in the second half. Liverpool was just dead, completely dead. I understand that. I get that. But you have to be fair, fam. You have to be fair. Arsenal played well in spurts. Liverpool had multiple positions in the first half. Arsenal kind of picked up in the second half. But come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, people. That was definitely a foul in the first half. Definitely. No call. No frigging call, fam. And then that penalty in the second half where Saka got and scored. No call. That shouldn't be a call. None at all. It's total foolishness, fam. Total fuckery. I'm not a Liverpool fan. I hate Liverpool. Everything about them. But that was definitely not a penalty, fam. Definitely not a penalty. And then note the game that I just watched, Manchester United that stream online. We won 2-1. And we should have been 3-1 because we got a goal disallowed. Again, the referee, VAR, whoever is on the VAR bar, you deserve a gunshot. We don't chat. Because I don't know how that is a handball. When him skip past the keeper, the ball hit him right upon him hand. Right upon him hand. Or if you never hit him right, so you hit him stomach, right? Same thing happened with Mikel Antonio. And Mikel Antonio didn't get the call. So how come Rashford get the call? How the fuck does Rashford get the call, but Mikel Antonio doesn't get the call? How is that even possible, people? We should have won 3-1, fam. I'm writing that in my book. 3-1, we should have won. 3-1. 3-1. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. People, remember if you like the video, subscribe for brand new down there, so leave a comment down there, let me know what you think about the games this week. Manchester United playing Thursday, Arsenal playing Thursday. The rest of the Champions League teams playing Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll be here on Wednesday to stream the game against Ominen or whatever you want to name at Old Trafford. So come on, it's chat, talk about football. I'll be streaming the Liverpool or Tottenham games. Can't see myself streaming Man City. Can't do it. But I'll be at work, so I can't do it anyway. So anyway, bless yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Manaz, people.